Are you looking for the top 5 best pressure washer hoses? Before you buy a pressure washer hose, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Wyomatic 50-foot pressure washer hose. The Wyomatic pressure washer hose is a solid 50-foot option that caught my attention with its kink-resistant design and affordable price of $26.99. If you want reliable reach and compatibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's rated up to 3,200 PSI, which means it can tackle everything from your car to your patio without breaking a sweat. The M22-14mm brass fittings make sure you won't have any leaks or mismatched connections, which is a common headache with pressure washers. Plus, with over 4,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that people trust this hose. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavier than other options. Here's the thing though, while it's true at 3.6 pounds, the durability it offers is well worth the slight extra weight. If you're looking for something that can withstand rough handling, this is your pick. This is perfect for you if you have a Ryobi or Troy-Bilt washer and need a reliable replacement. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or if your model requires different fittings. At this price, you're getting solid value for money. Product number 2, Yamatic 25 feet pressure washer hose. The Yamatic 25 feet pressure washer hose offers a shorter length at a more budget-friendly price of $21.36. This hose grabbed my attention for its kink-resistant features and lightweight design. If you want flexibility without compromising on quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With a maximum pressure rating of 3,200 PSI, it's perfect for residential tasks like cleaning your driveway or patio. The M22 14mm brass fittings ensure a tight connection, eliminating leaks that can ruin your cleaning session. Plus, its lightweight construction, just 2.4 pounds, makes it a breeze to maneuver, especially for those longer cleaning jobs. Some users noted that the 25 feet might feel limiting for larger areas, but honestly, if you have a smaller space or need it for quick tasks, this is actually a great fit. It's all about knowing your needs. This is perfect for you if you have smaller outdoor cleaning tasks and want something easy to handle. Skip this one if you need a longer reach or if you have a pressure washer that doesn't fit M22 14mm connections. For the price, you're getting a reliable deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better. Product number 3, PWA-CCS 50-foot pressure washer hose. The PWA-CCS pressure washer hose stands out with its unique green color and a price tag of $35.99. What caught my eye is its universal compatibility and lightweight design. If you want a hose that works with multiple brands, this is worth a serious look. This hose is rated for 3,600 PSI, meaning it can handle tougher jobs like heavy-duty decks or driveways without a problem. Its polyurethane outer jacket is not only non-marking, but incredibly resistant to dirt and kink, which is a game changer for maintaining flow while you're cleaning. Plus, it comes with 5 adapters, making it super versatile for various setups. Now, some reviews mentioned that the hose can be a little too flexible at times, which might lead to it tangling. Here's the thing though, if you're careful during storage, this flexibility actually helps with maneuverability in tight spots. This is perfect for you if you want a universal hose that works with different pressure washer brands. Skip this one if you prefer a super rigid hose that stays in one shape. Considering its product number 4, Flexzilla pressure washer hose. The Flexzilla pressure washer hose, priced at $53.92, immediately caught my attention for its unique flexibility and durability. If you want a hose that performs well in extreme conditions, this is worth a serious look. This hose is engineered with a flexible hybrid polymer, which means it remains flexible even in freezing temperatures or scorching heat. Rated for 3100 psi, it can handle a variety of cleaning tasks, and the integrated non-kink bend restrictor ensures it won't twist up on you. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, which adds a nice touch for those who value local manufacturing. However, I found some users noted the price is a bit steep compared to other hoses, but honestly, the build quality and performance under various conditions make it a worthy investment if you plan to use it frequently. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with extreme weather and need a reliable hose that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're just doing casual cleaning or have a tight budget. It's an investment, but one that's likely to pay off in the long run. Now, if you want something that's designed for maximum flexibility without the premium price, check out product number 5, Uberflex 50-foot pressure washer hose. The Uberflex kink-resistant pressure washer hose, priced at $53.49, offers some impressive features that caught my eye. If you want the most flexible hose on the market, this is worth a serious look. With a working pressure of 3100 psi, this hose is designed to handle tough jobs without the hassle of kinking or abrasion. Its dual standard 22mm 14 female twist connects make it compatible with many pressure washers, which is great for versatility. These unique properties mean you can focus on your cleaning instead of worrying about your equipment. Some users have pointed out that it might not fit certain models, like AR Blue Clean. However, here's the thing. As long as you check your connection type beforehand, you shouldn't run into issues. This is perfect for you if you want a hose that's easy to handle and store. Skip this one if you have a specific model that uses non-standard fittings. For the quality it offers, it's definitely worth considering. That wraps up our top 5 pressure washer hoses. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. So to recap, we've looked at the Yamatic 50-foot and 25-foot hoses for affordability and reliability, the PWACCs for universal compatibility, the Flexilla for extreme conditions, and the Uberflex for maximum flexibility. Each hose has its own unique benefits, so consider what matters most to you when making a choice.